Every process begins at the source.
Quality leather starts with healthy hides.
Precision replaces chaos. The hide becomes the focus. This is where luxury begins.
Purity is essential.
Only the finest continue.
The transformation has begun. Preservation secures the hide's future. Order protects quality. Movement begins the journey. Controlled transport preserves value.
Traceability is guaranteed.
The hide moves forward.
Precision continues. Standards are rechecked. Transformation moves inside. This is where raw hides meet industry. Inside, every step is controlled.
Scale and precision work together.
Preparation begins immediately. Machines take over the rhythm.
Nothing is left to chance.
Cleanliness defines quality. The real work begins now. Clean hides reveal their true potential. Precision protects the grain. Precision protects the grain. Every detail becomes visible.
Looks good.
Quality is carefully judged.
Hands still matter?
Only the best sections move forward. Consistency defines luxury.
Human judgment returns.
Form is refined.
Organization perceives value. The chemistry phase approaches. Transformation is about to begin. Chemistry reshapes the hide. Time and motion work together.
Balance is everything.
The hide responds. Purity is restored.
Stability is confirmed.
Refinement deepens. Precision removes excess. The hide is ready.
Leather is about to be born.
Nature and science combine. Time builds durability. Absorption defines quality. The hide becomes leather. Color brings identity. Tone is carefully controlled. Moisture gives way to strength. Softness is engineered.
Texture defines luxury.
The leather is ready for perfection. Precision is automated. Every surface is understood. Accuracy defines form. Automation accelerates excellence. Details matter most. Standards never bend. Harmony is engineered. Texture is perfected. The final craft awaits.
Craft begins with alignment.
Strength is sewn in.
Experience shapes perfection.
Edges define refinement. Patience perfects finish.
Luxury takes form.
Structure meets style.
Details elevate value.
Form becomes function. Every piece must prove itself.
Quality is seen first.
Strength is proven. Feel defines luxury. Details must endure. Comfort meets endurance. Science confirms craft.
Only approved pieces move on.
Presentation is next. Presentation completes the craft.
Care is visible in every detail.
Identity is locked in. Volume meets order. Protection ensures arrival. Ready when the world calls. Logistics takes over. Global journeys begin here.
And this is how modern factories produce camel leather luxury shoes and handbags from start to finish.